Mastering the game, understanding, dominating the field. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Dominating the field. Whether it's sports, business, or any competitive area, understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into its application in real-life situations. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of dominating the field. At its core, dominating the field refers to a situation where an individual, team, or company has a significant advantage over others in a particular area or industry. It implies not just participating or competing, but excelling to the point where they are considered the most influential or powerful entity within that context. Dominance here is about superior performance, influence, or control. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at examples from different areas. In sports, a football team consistently winning championships and setting records, showing superior skill and strategy, is said to be dominating the field. In business, a tech company that holds a majority market share and sets the standard for innovation and customer satisfaction dominates its field. In entertainment, a musician or band whose albums consistently top charts and influence the genre is dominating the field. These examples illustrate how dominance can manifest in superiority, influence, and recognition across different domains. To incorporate dominating the field into your English, consider these sentences. With their innovative products, the company is dominating the tech field. The athlete's outstanding performance this season has truly dominated the field. Their groundbreaking research is dominating the field of renewable energy. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different subjects and sectors, making it versatile for various discussions. Understanding and using the phrase, dominating the field, not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you describe excellence and superiority across different contexts. Whether you're discussing sports, business, or any competitive environment, this phrase captures the essence of being at the top. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and will inspire you to confidently use dominating the field in your conversations and writings. Thank you for joining us, and keep dominating your learning journey.